In the ever-evolving landscape of nutrition, misinformation can spread like wildfire, leading individuals down paths that may not be conducive to their overall health. Today, we aim to debunk common nutrition myths, shedding light on the truth behind certain diets, foods, and nutritional practices. Myth 1: Carbs are the enemy. One prevailing myth in the world of nutrition is that carbohydrates are the enemy, causing weight gain and hindering fitness goals. In reality, not all carbs are created equal. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are essential for providing sustained energy, and are rich in fiber. The key is to focus on whole, unprocessed carbs, and moderate your intake based on your individual needs and activity levels. Myth 2: Eating fat makes you fat. Contrary to the belief that consuming fat leads to weight gain, certain fats are crucial for overall health. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, play a vital role in supporting brain function, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. The key is to choose unsaturated fats over saturated and trans fats while maintaining a balanced diet. Myth 3: Skipping meals helps with weight loss. Skipping meals may seem like a quick way to shed pounds, but it can have detrimental effects on your metabolism and energy levels. Instead of skipping meals, focus on portion control and eating nutrient-dense foods. A well-balanced diet, combined with regular meals and snacks, can help maintain a healthy weight and sustain energy throughout the day. Myth 4: All calories are equal. While calorie counting is a common practice for weight management, not all calories are equal in terms of nutritional value. Consuming 100 calories from a sugary drink is vastly different from getting 100 calories from a nutrient-dense salad. Quality matters, and prioritizing whole, nutrient-rich foods is crucial for overall health and well-being. Myth 5: Detox diets cleanse your body. Detox diets often promise to cleanse the body of toxins, but the truth is that our bodies are equipped with efficient detoxification systems, primarily the liver and kidneys. Extreme detox plans, such as juice cleanses or restrictive diets, can deprive the body of essential nutrients, and may lead to nutrient deficiencies. Instead, focus on a well-rounded diet that supports the body's natural detoxification processes. Myth 6: Eating late at night causes weight gain. The belief that eating late at night automatically leads to weight gain is a common misconception. Weight gain is more closely linked to the total number of calories consumed throughout the day rather than the specific timing of meals. It's essential to listen to your body's hunger cues and make choices based on your overall daily caloric intake and nutritional needs. In the end, we will say, dispelling these nutrition myths is essential for promoting a healthier and more informed approach to dietary choices. By understanding the science behind nutrition and embracing evidence-based practices, individuals can make informed decisions that contribute to their overall well-being. Remember, nutrition is a nuanced and individualized journey, and embracing a balanced, whole foods approach is key to achieving long-term health goals.